Hi everyone, my name is Ankita. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm recreating Kylie Jenner's iconic look she wore back in November 2018. This tutorial randomly came up on my home feed and I was like, you know what? I think this is such a cute look for Valentine's Day. I've always loved this look and I think it's so cute to incorporate a pop of pink in the inner corners. It's a pretty natural look. Everything's very subtle. Then you have a nice pop of color with the pink. So I wanted to recreate it as my Valentine's Day look. I did my nails, these shades of purple, and I have my heart earrings. So we're ready for Valentine's Day. Before we begin, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel. So if you guys want to see how I achieved this look, then just keep watching. So I went ahead and started the makeup look already. I finished my base. I used the Glossier's Perfecting Skin Tint with this matte concealer in the shade NC35. The Glossier Perfecting Skin Tint is in the shade G6. I didn't want to bore you guys because my base is pretty much the same right now. I used this combination in previous videos. I love these two together. I think it gives my face a really good finish. I also went ahead and finished my brows. So now I'm jumping into my powder. I'm using this new Glossier Wowder. I haven't even unboxed it yet, so I figured I'd unbox it on camera. But it came in this pale pink box. It's their typical packaging. When I open it up, it looks like this. I mean, as usual, their products are just really pretty and like aesthetically pleasing, so this definitely hits the ballpark. So this is the shade G5 to G7. So first impressions, it's actually a lot bigger than I thought it was. For some reason, I thought it would come in a smaller container, but this actually looks like a pretty good amount. And when I open the lid, it's like this. Basically just bounce your brush in there and apply it. I'm going to apply it under my eyes and see how well it does in setting my concealer. I always use my Kat Von D translucent powder, so I'm very used to a translucent powder. It blends in with your skin tone, but this powder actually has a bit of a color, so it gives you more coverage. The shade matching was definitely on point. Because I'm a G6 in their Perfecting Skin Tint and their concealer, I also chose the G5 to G7 for their powder, which I think was a good choice. If you're curious, I would use the same shade as you are in the Perfecting Skin Tint as you for the powder. Then I'm going to go straight into my contour. So for today, I'm using this Smashbox contour palette. I'm going to go in with this deep contour shade. So I'm taking just very little. This color might be too dark. I'm going to just take the slightest bit. Just applying it with a very light hand for a tiny bit of color. So next I'm jumping into my eyes. I'm using the Smashbox 24-Hour Photo Finish Primer. Okay, so for eyes, I'm starting out with this Becca Ombre Rouge palette. I've used it quite a lot because it has such nice nude tones. I'm taking it with this Farrah blender brush. I'm going to mix these two shades. I want my look to look very blended out and natural, so I'm just using a very light hand. Then with the more precise dome brush, I'm going to take this color from this MAC Enchanted Eve Eyes palette and this color right here and very lightly just build up the crease a tiny bit. Because I put concealer on my eyelids today, I'm not going to worry about putting eyeshadow on my actual lid. So I'm going into this palette called The Queen by the brand called Eloise. And I'm taking this very vibrant pink color called Elizabeth. Using this tiny dome brush, I'm applying the beautiful pink shade to my inner corners. And then I'm going back into the Becca Rouge and taking those combination of those two shades, and I'm just going to apply it on my lash line. So for liner, I'm going to use this MAC gel liner. This is in the shade Black Track. I'm using it with an angled liner brush. I'm basically dragging out the liner to make a clean and sharp line. I'm going to quickly do my mascara. I'm using this High Impact Mascara by Clinique. I'm almost done. I'm going to quickly go into this Obsession Shimmering Body Powder by Calvin Klein. And this is such a beautiful like golden shimmer shade, so it's perfect for my highlight. Taking a little bit and just applying it on my highlight points. For blush, I'm using this Tarte blush in Partey. And for lips, I'm using my Glossier Gen G lipstick in the color Leo. Such a beautiful brown tone. To top it off, I'm using this lip gloss by Bite Beauty in the shade Honey. And this is the completed look. Thank you guys so much for watching and following along with this tutorial. If you guys like the way this look turned out, then please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye!